Emmett, are you enjoying your car seat? Yeah? What are you doing there? You're just sitting there? You like it this way? Yeah? You didn't know we could turn it around, huh? I know. You like it? What are you doing? Is that a laugh? What was that? Are you pooping? Why are you turning all red?